Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have the plant mutation needed for ascending for Ascension in Curate Garden. So basically right now, I do need a chilled cactus and I don't have that. I just have the normal cactus. So you're going to craft the mutation spray that you'll need. I think you'll need, like, everything you need is here. Except for like if they need the wet mutation, which isn't very hard to like obtain, but you can craft like the chilled one and the shocked one. I don't think it asks for glimmering or the like chocolate one. I don't think. Right now, I think it needs the chilled cactus mutation. I'm just going to find one here. I'll just spray it on this one. Oops, and then I'm just going to get that. Then I'm just going to go to the Ascension area. I hope they have like a better way for us to teleport there. Honestly, I'm just too lazy to walk. Get the chilled cactus out and then just ascend. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.